Oh geez. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Cam and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and I hope you subscribe to my channel, especially because I know I've been kind of teasing a little surprise. And basically what I'm going to start off with first is I'm gearing up to do a really big 500 subscriber giveaway. I know I'm not quite there yet, but if you did subscribe, it would mean the world to me and would get all of us closer to that giveaway. Like seriously, I have a drawer full of stuff that I want to give away, and I need to get to 500 subscribers to do that. So if you guys want to help me out with that, then definitely hit that subscribe button and make sure to hit the like button down below as well if you're digging this look. Alright, so a little backstory about this look. As the title suggests, this is a one eyeshadow only look. And a lot of this is going to mimic my everyday makeup routine, which I'm going to link for you up here. But a lot of the times when I do that kind of makeup, I just come across like a lot younger than I actually am. And especially because, you know, I do a lot of business ventures and I talk to a lot of older people than me and have to look really professional. And I also just don't want to appear, you know, immature and like a kid. So sometimes I do want to like still do something that's business professional and daytime appropriate, but definitely like smoke it up and glam it up a little bit just to kind of make myself look a little older, you know what I mean? So today I'm going to be using this eyeshadow from MAC called Club. And if you haven't heard of it, it's this, it looks gray in the pan, like, doesn't it? But it's this amazing duochrome, like brown, green, silver color. So I'm gonna swatch it for you on my hand. And as you can see, it's just kind of blending into this taupey brown shade. But if I pack it on, it's got a lot of iridescence to it as well. And so I wanted to film this also because just, you know, in the name of quick and easy, again, this is something that you can wear to work or just to have a nice smoky eye that's also just daytime appropriate and not overly glam. But also I've just been really busy this week as well as kind of like a little life update. If you've seen my Instagram stories, which by the way, check out my Instagram, but we've been remodeling our bathroom and it's such a pain when like you're doing it yourself. So you've been painting and caulking and like just everything that you see. Like I've been watching YouTube videos to try to like, you know, figure out how to stain my cabinet and stuff like that. So just like everything has been a complete disaster and did not work out like the videos. So staining my cabinet, disaster. I had to buy a new one. And with the caulking, like it wouldn't wipe off with the sponge. Like I don't know why our mixture was like pretty dry even though we bought a pre-mixed one. And so we literally had to sit there and scrape caulk off the tiles. And let's see what else happened. Painting wasn't too bad. We were just covering up a really dark color with white. So it just involved a lot of layers of primer and then white paint to finally make sure that none of like the deep blue showed through that was underneath. So it's just been like an absolute nightmare disaster. My whole house is a mess. And you know, kind of like when you feel out of whack and you're just, you know, stressed because you have a mess around you and it messes with your psyche. That's kind of how I feel right now because, you know, even though my background and everything I try to keep clean, the whole rest of the house is just like covered with stuff. And I haven't even had access to a bathroom basically in days. So, you know, I haven't really been able to wash my face even. I've been using like cotton pads and like micellar water. So I feel like I'm having really bad texture issues right now and I kind of feel gross and grimy, but I still wanted to put a video out for you guys. So I hope you enjoy this really sultry one eyeshadow smoky eye look. I think it's just so like smoldering and steamy for summer. So I hope you have fun recreating it and let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing I'm grabbing again is my Skin 79 BB cream. And I haven't self-tanned this week really because I haven't had the time to. So even though this is a very fair color like I mentioned in my other like everyday makeup routine video, it's still gonna match me just because, yeah, I just haven't had the time to apply any self-tanner whatsoever. And then I just rub it in with my fingers. Also, I apologize if you can hear like dripping on my AC right now, but I need to go out and get one of those like, you know, pads that you put on top of it so that your upstairs neighbor's AC doesn't drip down and make noise like it is now. So I apologize if you can hear that. I know it's really, really annoying. Alright, now I'm going to set all of this with my Wet n Wild bronzer in Reserve Your Cabana. And I'm not entirely sure if they're discontinuing this or not. Please let me know if you have any info on that, because I heard rumors. I'm not sure because I feel like I still see it every time I go to CVS. So if they are indeed discontinuing it, I'm going to be so sad because I just love this. So something that actually has changed since I did my everyday makeup routine a few weeks ago is that I did get this Tarte Pro Glow palette. And this basically has 2 bronzers, 2 blushes, and 2 highlights in it. I'm really starting to dig these all-in-one palettes. I feel like they're just super convenient. And I've basically just been able to grab like the one palette, do my face with it, and it really helps me get out the door faster. And so I'm gonna take this warmer bronzer right here and just start using it to sculpt out my face. Then I'm gonna use this gold toned highlighter. And I'm really just using a little bit. I'm not even like really trying to get that glass skin effect that I did in my other video. I actually have so much texture right now from like not being able to wash my face that it's like kind of accentuating it. So I'm not trying to use a lot. And then I'm gonna take the blush from the same exact row and just apply some to the apples of my cheeks. And now I'm just gonna do my brows really quickly, and nothing's really changed from this. I'm still using my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the color taupe, so I'm just gonna skip this. And so for the eyes, I'm going to be using my MAC eyeshadow in the color Club. This eyeshadow really is like the most essential part of this look, because since it's such a great duochrome, if you blend it out, it goes brown, but then it's also got this like silvery greenish color to it if you pack it on. So it really creates a multi-dimensional eye look using just one shade, which makes it also just fast to get out the door. So I'm picking some up on my Sigma E40 brush, and I'm just gonna swipe this through the crease. And so as you can see, it really does just blend out into this gorgeous cool toned brown shade. And so to really make the duochrome pop on your lid, I recommend getting a flat shader brush. And I'm going to be using my Sigma E56, and I'm just going to spray that with some of my Milani Make It Last setting spray. And then I'm just packing it all over the lid. And again, you want to pack and not use swiping motions, because that's how you turn it that like sort of taupey brown color. Then I'm just taking my Sigma E25 blending brush, and I'm just going over the edge of that in the crease to help blend it in. Then I'm just picking some more of that color up on my Sigma E25 brush and just brushing it along my lower lash line. Now I'm just popping some more of that highlighter shade in my inner corner and brow bone. I'm just gonna line my top lash line with my BH liquid eyeliner. And then I'm gonna pop on my Kiss eyelashes in Midnight. And now just to finish off the eyes, I'm gonna pop some black eyeliner in my waterline, and I'm using like literally what I have left of this Makeup Forever Aqua XL pencil in black. So to balance out the smoky look, I like going super nude on the lips. So I'm gonna be using my Gerard Cosmetics Supreme Lip Cream, and this is in the color Angel Cake. So this is the finished look. Alrighty, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, then please hit the like button down below for me. And I'm just gonna leave you with a couple more videos by me that you can watch. And then make sure to click on my face to subscribe to my channel so that we can get to that 500 subscriber giveaway. It's gonna be ridiculous. It's only gonna get more ridiculous here on this channel. So definitely stay tuned. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching, for sitting through this video with me, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.